Celebrating over 150 years, BASF has employees around the globe that teach hands-on, inquiry-based science to our youth. BASF creates chemistry for a sustainable future.
Welcome to BASF Science Club. I'm Odessa with BASF, here with my son Carter. Today we're going to make some hopping corn.
Not popping corn, hopping corn.
You'll need a clear jar, popcorn kernels, water, 2 tablespoons of baking soda, 6 tablespoons of white vinegar, and food coloring. Fill your jar with water and add a couple drops of food coloring. Add the baking soda and stir until it's dissolved. Add a small handful of popcorn kernels and now add the vinegar and watch.
Whoa, that's cool.
The science is simple. When the baking soda and vinegar combine, they react to form carbon dioxide gas. The gas forms bubbles, the bubbles lift the kernels up to the surface, they pop, and the kernels sink back down again. This hopping continues until the vinegar and baking soda have finished reacting. Go to abc11.com/science club to find more on this experiment. And visit us on Facebook to let us know how long your kernels hopped.
Thanks for watching BASF Science Club.